Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something really exciting to share with you. Because in this video, I will share with you an amazing article writing website that pays from $10 to $1,000. Also at the end of this video, I will share with you a step-by-step guide on how to write an effective article so that no any website could reject your article. So stay tuned and watch this video till end. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. First things first, visit herviewfromhome.com. It's a fantastic platform for moms, writers and anyone looking to share their stories. Once you are on their website, take a look around. Get familiar with their content and the type of articles they publish. This will give you a sense of what they are looking for. To start earning money, you will need an account on this website. It's super easy to set up. Simply click on the sign up button, fill in your details and create your profile. Don't forget to add a profile picture and a catchy bio. This is where the magic happens. You will be sharing your amazing stories with the world. Click on the Submit Your Article button, then follow the guidelines for article submission. Make sure your content is authentic and resonates with their audience. This website has a dedicated team that reviews your submission. They will go through your article and if it meets their standards, it will get published on their website. This is your chance to shine. This website pays you based on the views and engagement your article receives. The more popular your content, the more you earn. To maximize your earnings, share your article on your social media platforms and encourage your friends and family to do the same. Engagement and shares can lead to more views and earnings. So this is a guide on how to earn money from herviewfromhome.com. It's a fantastic platform for sharing your stories and making some extra cash. Now to write an effective article, here is a guide for you. In this ebook, there are tips and easy tricks for you that you can follow to construct an amazing and worth sharing article. I will put its link in description box below. You can download it from there. So start writing and share your stories today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our amazing tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.